Good evening, and welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Silver the Wall. And in dear Shiamu, I mean, if you know much about Kotoko has game and any about ahead of the matches, both parties and the detailed information about to be MP. I mean, Tiana and my news around both teams near scanty kakra and also. Because also news no so pa. I mean, you can pay a visit to any of the club's training grounds, but DSC or one to me from Barbon thing. I'm adding injury issues. Crowd can I ask them for over 20-man squad, and I mean a whole lot. But we'll get there. I mean, and then someone fight movie as someone Dawson. But maybe I soon sign the body if indeed some of the recommendations from these spiritualists or men who are you find some more more and was soon semono you better send ye be call nyame admo chena because obia what the oka obia what the a football they my club be so on down the war. One thing is clear, Asante Kotoko, fully, almost a year, a fear, and then no training and a course. Moving forward, Asante Kotoko and then Baba Sports Stadium from Tuesday now be seen a massive protection and a course. Asante Kotoko, chita for ni bisuro house one you may be on the massive protection a course. Our Baba Sports Stadium. But we'll go to the news. This GFA and StarTimes story may have later. I think sometimes Henry Asante Chum it do baby I saw to because some of us we dig deep, but in some way about continue that's the same way the FA in differ but makamanu to then the narrative out there now paint a different picture. Let me see if I can handle the StarTimes conversation here. It is an open secret that StarTimes a day, Ghana Football Association. I'll go into details of that story later after Ochna. But the whole conversation around StarTimes, I have an exclusive on that. And one word the other may but it looks like you might have to stay with a year. AFA and Globe for some time, probably to end the first round. The conversation is ongoing. Here, Nana Sibosro do Safokan, but StarTimes for them come on kakra from assuming there. It looks like where the FA need to be. Like I said, we handle that later. Ewan seminum pa. Now, as a folk kumase. On earlier on, me can say. Pay news ni expectium so meduru kumase enra. Tienra time I me stories no. Na bia na ye pick a signal say has bedan ejo so mpotemu ho no. Me ye call ba me nya feedback bia. So ye fans okay fine. Omombai. But enra na has be duru kumase. En has I train wo kumase. Omo ye shake up e wo kumase. Omo the 22 players and a buy. And we all know, say, 20 players and I had a chance to start a game. 11 starts whilst bench, the 9, now. So it means that 2 of the hard-to-folk players, now stands. And match be saying, we coach are very careful. And now I feel now 20 beba. Now the ebetchen back on do now there be for 22 bra as a precautionary measure. Benjamin Asare is starting for hard-to-folk. And on somewhere, a chitaf won't be I can't say me, but clearly Benjamin Asare as the captain of Art to Folk. I'll be surprised at what Tara be tears and same be not what drop Benjamin Asare for a question ketia. Yaya Dramani ewo team me Manuel Amankwa Ransford Mensah na wenya a year Ewa Mensah Michael Ewa Mensah Amofa is around Kelvin Osei Sibe Sibe come on also. Kelvin or says Sibe home come over. Me I say as I your man oh me did say but the news out there is that Kelvin has said Sibe to score an own goal. That's the news out there that Kelvin has said Sibe to score an own goal. Benjamin Asari to make a defensive blunder. Okay, yeah, twaso. Jaman for pushy. Yes, I'm for pushy. Whoa. Theophilus Collinson, Hamza Isa, Hussein Mohammed, Sani Mohammed, Salim Adams, Alfred Ramsey is in town. Yeah, Martin Kakari, Rafal Amponsa, now Isaac Frimpong. Yes, many more Samoa Boatin Diego. Samoa Boatin Diego. Nipe pushy said Diego started an American or a PFM, so I can say it here. They are pushing that Diego should start the game. It was almost a lack of Diego side. Yeah. And then when meetings, I cost you Kruman and Yasam Ketwa. Meetings, ba Kotoko fo Bochenku, Dim Komo, Hasi Bochenku, Dim Komo. Fast stadium on Potemho. What they wow, I said a fast stadium on Potemho. Now, Paps, near stadium, no. What they why you see them. No, Chile Meka, one with the maker. Easy. He has funny be pushing for Samoa Boatin to start because one must say, Omushishimuche say lack. Ewa Samoa Boatin side. Mawuli Wayo is around, Kwabna Boatin is also around. For team FN had to focus no. Mrantia has a different crime. And by normal training, ewo kumase mpatem he ya. Abi bia koso wano. Edema had to focus. Based on training, me can have starting 11. Ama enokrano akofan sembebre aba. It looks like news ama picking from the quarters of Arsenal. Coach Abubakar Ouattara is not happy because I say, how is it possible? Say 2 days before the game now, as an amount for can it team sembebre. I don't know if that will force him to take out Emmanuel Amankwa and replace him with the Yaya Dramania. That is a story for another day. Whether a woman's push no for a woman's ahead of a Sibe Nebeye Juma na Enye Juma. But throughout his training, Sibe Amufa now when Ransford Mensa, Theophilus Collins and midfield 4, Senemekan and Rano, with a front two of possibly Mauli Wayo and then Hamza Isa to lead the attack. For you had to focus no eye de oha mede ema na bibia etimi akọ wano na aye kama ewo ho wo Asante Kotoko second pitch no me ne ho nkomo ba ya ache kakra second pitch no based on video kutame no I think says still see nya abo transa na Asante Kotoko start here you see the second pitch. The issue is very simple. The second pitch, weed womb. I'll put the picture on the video on the screen. Weed in wura a womb, and they have to take it out as compared to the main pitch. Main pitch, I'll say a drew dry season. Now we trap pitch so me from one, and I'm sa assassin I won't intino. Utu obaboa. In foot bit me because Assassina is so dry. And I was saying trauma from. And then a closer shot of the Kotoko main training grounds. Am I the indicator say my trauma from pa. And that is why Assassina Kasana Ayahoya or my side trauma from Tino. You don't feel the green nature. But I think say the second pitch in the green no. You see the green nature. But who in run a woman ebe here some penny for be one way or the other, yen kind of cry on that score. I think say na the break nearby na Asante Kotoko. Nelson Komukeja Gum send your moye no. Nanka break nearby no nka knowing that Kotoko and has nipa dombeba the training grounds and omoba one thing on the hun sembeko will be the pitch no. Nelson ke water so kakra. Emmanuel Makuyi, but that is a story for another day. I be ho adwuma no eye da foforo. Wo Asante Kotoko. Freddy Kasari Mohamed Kamara and a eba game no the two goalkeepers for Asante Kotoko. Nsamani bebre. Me say nsama na ya te wa yasom ne dawson. Nsamani be any be conflicted and it gets you confused. I don't want to be in the shoes of Omomu Kotoko anymore at this point. Because Sunny and Samane Dawson, Minia, why have you confused? So what I say, you be confused because where you can't win, it looks like everybody what the orca will be say foreign goalkeeper, we any BB and cano into on and started. Will be so say Debbie. I mean, Dawson. But Mohamed Kamara, based on training, no, are likely to start Freddy Kasari on the bench. Lord Amwa Patrick Esiedu, based on my records, will be suspended. With Emmanuel Korte also starting. At the Kotoko training grounds, Abunu said, Kotoko ye training our coach Ogum Tim Korte Patrick Esiedu Korenim Kakran Mama Korte Ababo the left back position because players available in case of any issue. Fullbacks or Kotoko say three. Three. Last season, at a point now Kotoko almost 7. It's almost pruning a dam about 3. Last season now, Nicolas Osei Bonsu Nana Benyini, John Tedeku, Samuel Asamoah, Emmanuel Korte, Augustine Japan, Fuseni Sahaku 7. But I say I got 3. Right backs 2, left back 1. Into coach yet trainer sometimes on my court take about left just in case of anything. But it's a Siedu and a Lord Amwa. The 2 Brekum Chelsea boys. So far they've been doing well. Lord will assist for Kotoko. A Siedu will go. Players actually go ama Kotoko this season in the league. A 4. Manuel Entry, Michael Che Jamra, Patrick Siedu, and Albert Amwa. An own goal from Isaka Mohamed. 4 no Okaho. Samba and Abulo throughout the training. Yehu Kotoko practiced 3 back. It was 4 back. And Anna Kotoko air practice. The midfield 3 of the man himself. The captain for tomorrow, Justice in Blay. Blay Nebe captain. If Mohamed Kamara is starting, meaning Freddy Kasari ni ho and Vasari ni wa, the captain is Justice Blake. Blake to captain the team for China with intim menu doing the box-to-box work, the hybrid work, where you defensive kakra, where you offensive kakra, with Baba Yaya operating as the true number 10 in this game. Fernando Weston Bassi, obey me a surprise package. Obey me a started. But Saka and Awuchi. Yeah, Saka and Awuchi. They meaning Peter Aqua on the bench. Meaning Fernando Bassi on the bench. They say these are the options for Asante Kotoko. Now when Albert Amwa leading that attack. The options on the bench. Freddy Kasari, Emmanuel Korte, Henry Ansu, Michael Che Jamana, Emmanuel Entry, Patrick Peter Aqua. Now when you Fernando Weston Bassi, when you Solomon Kwekusai, Jordan Emisa, and Vertus Avoka. Now we must so attenechiri Ashama Bibia etmiako ye. Ede Asante Kotoko ye atwa ye. Ede Asante Kotoko no. Eye die free hoba mede ema. Ochina. Exactly 3 p.m. na game na started. Security home since some tough. Ochina, we will definitely be at the venue to interact with the fans and get to know their expectations. Our game no menya some kitwa. Special winning bonus package na ye juma. Massive promo from the Asante Kotoko family. Massive promo. Promo na Kotoko for this game no. I mean, this is solid. And now Asante Kotoko chita for so no matter from one place to the other, speaking to get the fans to come to the stadium. Chema Alex Nama, Chema Sulu Nama, chairman Obin Sechere nam ha, chairman Dache hine nam ha, ni da nam ha. I mean, to the extent say, almost try to engage hard to folk to help with the promo. Inti Abbas nemu, Baba Shai nemu, Hashmin and nemu, ube to the extent say, ubenya abrantia, my friend Kobe Jones, so on free crime, the national communication director for the Heart to Folk chapters, on Swaba and Wabe Jim promo to get Hearts fans to support and be part of the promo is massive from Asante Kotoko. I'm penning for idea pa. I almost say about somebody else. So I mean it's decent. It's okay. Dia can ye me say ye bebo dump him. No china yaba venue na ba be game no. I mean you look at the midfield reaction. Front two e wone how. Front two ni say o mema o center backs ni mienu abre. Ba be gina the two center backs too. Ablo be fa baako, Samba fa baako. But the advantage is that full backs no oye ni ya baako timi a third man to support the two center backs. Giving one of your full backs a freedom because has a more diamond system and your true wingers. These are players are once you are winger and the end what that line of so and you creative midfielders. Sani Mohammed a creative midfielder, Hussein Mohammed a creative midfielder. But I'm more operative from the wider zones. There I say, would you look at Modric? Oh, maybe our bomb midfield four of Luka Modric, Toni Kroos, Casemiro, Federico Valverde, Madrid Dienna. Easy to understand. The Chelsea team of Michael Essien, Lampard, Ballack, Deco. That is four, no? The Essien, Jinemu, Lampard, ball as an attacking midfielder. Ballack, ball as a central midfielder. Deco, ball as an attacking midfielder. When you true wingers, and to say, be our Joko, Iron Robin, Ato Wings, so on Confaho, or more central. That is the house of folk own. So what you normally do is one of your fullbacks now are free, no join it. Oh, midfielders, no. Do about 3 midfielders or no by join it. Send ye 4 no and overcrowd your players in the middle. Sana normally coaches in here, no. So there will be the use of the brain. General, because of the tactical arrangement, coaches ne some journey. Now we kick with Tibom, now to Tomonioma. And to about 4 now has a baby paying. I mean, at a point, they had Otanga, they had Salim Adams, they had Martin Kakeri, and a Lenda in Tangi. At a point, has a baby with Kakeri, with Abrantier friend Salif Ibrahim Di Maria, Lenda, and Otanga, midfield 4, central 4, Omunyana central 4, Ubien Hoya winger. Has the Biaba Pen, and Obo Hamza Isa, and Sisi as your front 2. Game has Taiba Kumaso with midfield 4. A far or midfielders have to work extra. They have to work extra. These are the dynamics. And me assure Asante Kotoko technical team is aware of this thing, and they have a plan on how to neutralize this and make sure say and go to the disadvantage of Asante Kotoko. So that's the House of Folk team. I mean, Salim Adams is a stubborn one. We are looking at Salim and Justice Blay. Salim Blay. In team menu, how one person with me combining the two Mohammeds. No one lock you more on the pocket. And we here. And Baba Yaya, your duty. Say, Theophilus Collinson. I don't know has for no the defensive shield. Sa has midfield for no. On the Jumani a distraction, no. On mano enya freedom. Jinane so man a headache. Send you on to me support to the midfield 3. So I tell you. And that is why people are calling for Bassi. Because Bassi that wings were the fullbacks of House of Folk, especially Ransford Mensah on team in. So I mean tomorrow's game will be fun. At a point, look at the 2 teams here parading. We are talking about Benjamin Masari or Galaxies. Or says Sibeno or Galaxies not or a drop. Then you talk about Hamza Issa. 3. Salim Adams, in him how brilliant he is. The 2 Mohammed, Hussein and Sani, these are delight to watch. Inti na mumienu nyina no. Ye freba ko Aboaso Messi, ye freba ko Techima Messi. No Dembibi and ye Hussein. Messi for mienu ginam. And ofori kro Messi in Baba Yaya so be ginam. From the bench, there are options. I mean, there's Martin Kakari for Haas. There's Emmanuel Enchi for Kotoko. Game changers from the bench. Kwabra Boateng ha again. But Kwabra ha again wisdom basi so ho. Ti se numere meeting bi ankoso amma commissioni bi and also fu bi anka bibi ebesesa. This is what you monitor the training of both teams here. You go akwem. Haas training no more set piece when you mapa. Yes. Has a lot on crosses and set pieces. Yeah. Also, there is this perception that Kotoko weakness back here crosses and set pieces. So whether Freddy Casario Mohamed Kamara is somehow in the opponent's penalty box. Wow, penalty box, you know, it's so much offer. We'll talk more. On the game. But until then, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.